how to install apps without payment method. If you want to download apps without billing information in your iPhone, then this video is for you. To do so, first of all, go through your settings and then hit on your Apple ID. Once you are there, select Media and Purchases and hit on the View Account. From there, choose Country or Region and then hit on the Change Country or Region, and for now change to any country you want. Once you do that, on the top right you will see Agree option. Hit on that. Now on the payment section, you can see just below the PayPal you will see a None option. Simply hit on that and hit on the Next. Now you can easily install apps without payment method. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe.